Hi, this is Wendy Christine from Raspberry Lane Crafts with a few facts about kelp and dolphins. Kelp, which is actually a coarse brown algae, can grow 2 feet a day. According to Oceana.org, quote, because kelp attaches to the seafloor and eventually grows to the water's surface and relies on sunlight to generate food and energy, kelp forests are always coastal and require shallow, relatively clear water, unquote. Dolphins like this bottlenose can be found playing and foraging in kelp beds. Invertebrates like prawn, bristleworms, and sea stars that eat kelp attract rockfish and other fish on which the dolphins can prey. And did you know dolphins have teeth but only bite and swallow their food? Raspberry Lane Crafts offers the Dolphin with Kelp cross-stitch kit, which includes the cross-stitch pattern, 15 6-stranded DMC embroidery floss, there are 2 white, a Scarlet Today pack of size 7 fine English embroidery needles, and a clover embroidery needle threader. Visit us for cross-stitch and quilt patterns, sewing supplies, art prints, and free videos and patterns at www.raspberrylanecrafts.com, and have a wonderful day.